How to recover TikTok account with only username on your iOS device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover your TikTok account with only your username on your iPhone or any iOS device. So this is how you start. The first thing is you'll need to open up your TikTok. After that, head over to the login option that should be on the bottom. After you tap on the login button, simply tap on add another account. After you do that, simply choose use phone number, email or username, and right there head over to email/username. Now right there type in your username, and after you type in your username, tap on continue. After you tap on continue, you should see the password option. Now since you have forgotten your password, tap on forgot password. Here you will see reset password with option, and you'll get two of those options. One is phone, the other is email. Tap on whichever suits you the most and just type in the associated email where you can get the recovery link or code. So after you type in the email, tap on continue and you should get the email. So just wait for the email. There we go. Now type in the email and there you have it. Now you've just recovered your TikTok account. Now you can reset your password. From here, just make sure that you use a really strong password and the one that you can remember further. And that's how you recover your TikTok account with your username. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.